We know that about Newton, who was the great scientist, and he often said, time is the best and most important thing in the world, and it waits for none. And he advised everybody to make the best of time. So, this is Ali Hussain from Alice Dynamic, and today I will discuss about time. How much important of time in our life. So we know that I told you time and Ted wait for none. If once a time go in our life, then it won't come back in our life, and any cost we want to get it. So everybody, we should to make our time properly, and that's why we need to make a routine for use our time proper way. If you have a routine and if you have a daily activities when you do this your work, then you will use your time properly. So that's why we need to make a routine and thinking how much important time in our life. Suppose you are a student, and in this corner time most of the students they don't study properly. They just go outside playing with their friends, and some students and most of the students they are playing Free Fire or PUBG games. And most of the students they are very much affected right now. They don't want to study anymore. So that's why our generation is going to bad way, and they don't concentrate their study. So we need to be more aware for our study, because our government announcement in this month, the every institution will be open and they take a exam. And already my some student, I have some student, they read their 5, 6 and 7 and 8 class, and their school and their school give their caution for given their exam, and I take their exam. So right now I think my all students there's some afraid and they're very nervous because they don't study properly. They just use their time bad way. They didn't do study properly. So we should to use our time in properly. And I mentioned that Newton name. And one Newton was a very hard worker person, and he didn't waste that time anymore. One day he went to outside from their room, and he had a pet dog. His name was Diamond. And when he came in, when he went to from the room, after that the pet dog is jump on the table, and the table on a candle. After that all paper and important books they burn will be ash. So if in that time Newton when he went to from their room, that time if he stay with their Diamond to went there, then it won't be happen with them. So time is the very much important thing, and we should use our time properly. And you know that I'm a learner, and I want to be a good speaker, and I want to be a good teacher in English teacher. And that's why I try to use my time properly. And in this corona time when all institution close, institute close, that time I just focus my study and I just practice more and more. That's why right now I can speak something not better, but I try my best. So but someone who are just coming to the online, their YouTube, their Messenger, their Facebook or lots of group, but they don't want to focus their study and practice properly. They just seeing there's some videos, there's just some their post, funny post, and they making conversation with their friends without any topic, because it's not helpful for them. So we should, when we come the online, then we need to reading some a knowledge thing about when we get knowledge from their post, and we should to use this video whose are very important and very annoying for us, and we make a group conversation in English or any other thing which is the important in our life, because you know that we are use our time very bad way, but after 1 or 2 years later you will thinking what did you do, because that time if you use your time properly, that time you won't be suffer anything. Suppose indeed me, I use my time bad way, I didn't practice, I didn't study more, but right now I feel not comfortable to speak English, I'm not comfortable in English. It's only for my bad luck because I didn't use my time properly. So আমি সবাইকে বলবো, আপনারা যারা আমার ভিডিওটা দেখছেন, আপনারা সবাই দয়া করে আপনাদেরকে অনুরোধ করছে আপনারা আপনার সময়টাকে সুন্দরভাবে ব্যবহার করেন। আপনারা সাপোজ we should to perform our 5 waqt salat, but we can't do it for our laziness, for our শয়তান আমাদের ধোঁকা দিচ্ছে। সো আমরা যদি এখন নামাজও ঠিক মতো না পড়ি, আমাদের আখিরাতে এটা বিচার দিতে হবে, আমরা তখন জান্নাতে যেতে পারবো না। আর কিছু আমাদের স্টুডেন্ট আছে এই করোনার কারণে তারা অনেক মানে অপথে চলে গেছে, তারা পড়ালেখা করছে না। আমাদের যা ভাই বোন আছে আমাদেরকে উচিত তাদেরকে বোঝানো, কারণ সময় কারোর জন্য বসে থাকবো না, আর এই সময়টা আমরা আর ফিরে পাবো না। আর যারা আমরা ইংলিশ শিখতেছি, আমাদের must be concentrate our goal and vision. If you have a vision and if you just use your time good way, then you must be reach your vision, must be. I prove that. Okay, because last 7 or 8 months I practice more and more, that's why right now I said something without any hesitation, and I have confidence right now. Okay, and you must be need a goal, and you have to আরেকটা জিনিস বলবো, আপনারা একটা রুটিন করতে পারেন কখন কোন কাজটা করবেন। নামাজের সময় একটা, প্র্যাকটিসের সময় একটা, ইংলিশের চর্চার একটা সময়, কখন খেলাধুলা করবেন। আপনারা একটা নির্দিষ্ট সময় নির্ধারণ করেন, দেখবেন আপনারা খুব ভালো কিছু জীবনে করতে পারবেন। আর যারা কিছু মানুষ যারা চাকরি করতে চান, তারা যেই সময়টা আমরা কি করে অনেক খারাপ পথে বা আমরা ফানি ভিডিও ইউটিউব দেখে দেখে আমরা সময়টা অতিবাহিত করি। আমাদের উচিত এই সময়টাকে কাজে লাগানো, আমাদের পড়ালেখার দিকে মনোযোগ দেওয়া। এখন যদি আমরা ভালোভাবে পড়ালেখা করি, আমরা ভালোভাবে আমাদের সময়টা ব্যবহার করি, তাহলে আমরা ভবিষ্যতে গিয়ে এটা ভালো একটা ফল পাবো। কিন্তু আমরা যদি এটাকে না ব্যবহার করি, ভবিষ্যতে গিয়ে আমরা অনেক সাফার করবো। So guys, hope you can understand what can I say, and I really suffer a lots of problem because I waste my time bad way. If I waste my time good way, then I can't facing any kind of problems, and right now I will get more and more improvement in my life. But I try my best, and hopefully you will try your best, because we also want to improving our life. Okay, and একটা জিনিস, অনেক সময় আছে আমরা বন্ধুদের সাথে আড্ডা দিতে যাই, মানে আড্ডা দিচ্ছি ফোনে কথা বলছি চ্যাটিং করছি, আসলে এই জিনিসটা অনেক আমাদের ব্যাড ইফেক্টিভ আমাদের শরীরের উপর পড়ে, আমাদের মন মানসিকতার উপর পড়ে। তো আমাদের এগুলো থেকে বের হয়ে আসা উচিত, কারণ বন্ধুদের সাথে আমাদের আড্ডা দিতে হয়, কিন্তু বেশি পরিমাণ যদি আমরা বন্ধুদের সাথে আড্ডা দেয়, তাহলে it won't be helpful for our life. It should be more concentrate our all work. Okay, so hopefully you guys get something from in my video. Hopefully you enjoying a lot. So if you like my video, so please subscribe my channel, and please support me, and please sharing this video with your friends, because it's very much effective for your life, betterment in your life. And I pray for you, and you also pray for me, because I have some dream, and inshallah one day I will share with you my all vision, my why I learning English, and why I take serious about my life. And inshallah I will be success, and pray for me. And now that's all for today. Allah Hafiz.